Welcome back to yet another one of my creative videos. I just wanted to show some of my viewers that they do indeed sell these gems at Dollar Tree. As y'all can see, they have a ton of them. But before I get to using these, I'm going to start off by using this foam board and 4 of these 4x5" mirrors that I purchased from Dollar Tree as well. All I'm doing is tracing around my mirrors with my silver Sharpie, and then I'm going to cut out my shape with my box cutter because I have yet to get a new X-Acto knife. I'm tracing and cutting out 3 more of these shapes. I just had to pick up this pretty pink velvet fabric from Dollar Tree because it was calling my name, and plus I thought it would be perfect for this project. I absolutely love this material, and it's not too thick nor too thin, and it cuts easily. I ended up cutting out another square, so I have 5 squares in total, and as y'all can see, all I'm doing is covering each square on one side with this fabric. Also, I only put glue around the borders except for these pieces where I had to use smaller pieces to make one big piece. And then I'm just folding over the excess fabric. Please note, this does not have to be neat because the borders will not be showing. These look super cute already, and all I'm going to do is glue them all together in a box. I'm making sure I glue my box together so the fabric will be in the inside of my box. I'm covering up these edges with more fabric to give it a cleaner look, and y'all will see exactly why a little later on in the video. This is how the edges are looking, and once again, it does not have to be neat because the majority of it will be covered up. Now I'm flipping my box completely over, and I'm going to add another piece of fabric to completely cover the bottom. I'm using my good old bling wrap that I purchased from Amazon 1,000 times, and I'm just covering the border of my box. I'm lining the bling wrap up with the edge of the box, and then I'm going to fold over the remainder to go inside the box. Now I'm gluing the mirrors to the very top of my box and both sides of my box. I had to leave a little space in between the top and bottom mirrors so the mirrors can line up directly with the edge. I'm using more bling wrap to cover up that space. Please note, the bottom piece that I completely covered is now the back piece. Now it's time to use the gems, and I'm spelling a very familiar word, and I'm spelling it backwards so that way once I flip it over, it's exactly how it needs to be. I'm using my ruler to make sure everything is as straight as possible before gluing them together. This is how they should look once they're flipped over. Now it's time to glue the love signs down. I'm gluing one at the top and then one at the bottom, and then I will repeat the same steps for the mirrors on the sides. And as y'all can see, this is very bendable, but if you are going to recreate this, I suggest you use a stronger adhesive so your project can last over time. Now I'm unscrewing this to use only the heart to this snack dispenser, and I'm just gonna bling it out with my bling wrap. I'm using this foam piece to keep the acrylic gems inside my heart. I did not glue this, I just put the foam piece at the bottom, and now I'm just going to put my heart right on the top of my box. Then add my push light to the inside, and then I will be right back to show y'all the final look. I chose to make this into a glam beauty box and add makeup, but of course you can add a multitude of things. But this turned out super glam, super gorgeous, and I think this is one of a kind. But comment below and let me know what y'all think. For project number 2, I'm completing the same exact steps as I did for project number 1, but of course it's going to be a little different, so just stay tuned. I wanted to switch things up a little bit, so instead of using the silver bling wrap, I had to go with the gold bling wrap, and I will leave a link to this bling wrap down in the description box. I used the plain mirrors for this project, and instead of using 12 mirrors, I used 8 mirrors for this project. Instead of putting mirrors at the top of my box, I decided to just put bling wrap there, and then I'll add my light, and then I'll add a bow, and then I will be right back to show y'all the final look. Instead of putting glue on my bow, I placed a clear piece of tape there just in case if I want to switch it out later on. I'm loving the way this box turned out as well. And if you're curious as to where I got this teddy bear from, I created this in one of my previous videos. If you're interested in watching that, the link will be in the cards above. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're curious to see what else I can create, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video.